What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Hey, Star here back again with some more reactions. Guys, got more Lynyrd Skynyrd. So this one is Freebird, and it's just the audio, guys, just to check it out. So guys, without further ado, let's get into this. There the pick. Yo, this
things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change.
is relaxing. Woo! Yellow.
Bye bye, baby.
Hold on, guys. This is pretty darn freaking awesome. Yo, this is so smooth, so relaxing. No joke, guys. I'm gonna add this to my collection. This is something that should be played, and not like when you listen to it like first time. This should be played like a lot more than I would say a lot more than 5 times. You agree with me? This is really relaxing. The solo, you know, the solo that they do so much, like it's in the song, like it's in between. I don't know how to put it, but you know, basically when there's like a solo in the, you know, rock music, of course, or in any genre, I should say, they're like there's a special time for it to, you know, to unleash, you know, for them to do all the solo, get the, you know, the main, how do I say it, the screen time, you know, like that's your time to go. But hey, it's just the solo is just throughout the entire song, which is pretty. It makes it pretty relaxed, pretty smooth. If you ask me, pretty smooth, and I like it. I like it. In my collection you go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Beautiful chord, by the way. Beautiful.
Bye bye, baby. It's the sweet love.
Hey!
In this world you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Lord help me, I can't change. Lord,
Oh!
I can't change. Won't you fly free, bird?
Hey! That's it, that's it. Oh! That's one guitar? Like two. Euro! I like this! Woo! On. My God. Wow. Goodness. Ah, yes! Fire! Fire! Oh my goodness! Hey! Yo, and listen to this. The best. Oh my goodness. Yo, this entire band. Oh my goodness. And just what did I listen to? Oh my goodness. This band has to be legendary for sure. There's so much to talk about this, and I know, guys, damn, it's of course I don't want to keep you there too long. But oh my goodness, this Soloing was just absolutely perfect. The other half of the song is where things really kick in, and honestly, it's so damn good. Honestly, it honestly makes you even forget about the first part if you feel me here. I'm not saying I'm forgetful. I'm just saying. But generally, it makes you like it's so damn good. It makes you even forget about what happened in the first part. But hey, damn, yo, this is actually crazy good, crazy good. Guys, I want to hear you in the comment section for this one. Honestly, the strings I was hearing, that is that actual people playing the strings, or is it computer right? It to me it doesn't really sound like, how do I say it, like the authentic like string kind of sound. I don't know if it was a synthesizer. I'm not too sure what year this came out, but I'm guessing maybe technology was after a while it got better and better in terms of the instruments and for making music. But yeah, it sounded very different to me, and I don't know. It just sounded different. But overall, this track is absolutely amazing. This entire thing is a masterpiece. I wouldn't be surprised that this particular album or song, I should say in general. But back then, I think it you had to purchase the entire album, right? It's not like now, like where if you want just a song, you can just get the song easy. Just buy this that particular song. I'm guessing you had to buy the entire album to get everything, right? Yeah, pretty sure. But damn, guys, this is actually amazing. No one recommended this, but you guys should have recommended this. I would have done it sooner. But ladies and gentlemen, it was nice, doing this here. Listening to this amazing track from Lynyrd Skynyrd. I want to hear you guys. I want to see you guys in the comment section about this. Give us a nice like for me. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you and later.